Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Thank you for checking out my product review of the Leaderboard Kingpin. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income to $10,000 a month. You heard that right, $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. You can grab the Leaderboard Kingpin from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online empire so that you can use free traffic to make money online. Now, this allows you to achieve your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. When you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Now, the third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important thing. It's not just any ordinary passive income. It is a reoccurring passive income, and you can do that with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It will show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the whole system. Now you receive a done-for-you product, a high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's get on with the review. In a nutshell, this product, created by James Renoff and Max Gerstenmaier, crushes leaderboards on a daily basis. Leaderboard Kingpin shows you how to pick a new product every day, then use AI, or artificial intelligence, to send buyers to those products to make money and win contests. Now, the beauty is that you don't need a list. Get in front of a camera. Don't need any skills to set up, or previous experience, or further investment. It's a simple process. All you actually need is an active internet connection. Here's James talking about the product.
James and Max here. We're so excited to have you on our sales page, AI Leaderboard Kingpin. There's so many things to discuss. It's such an awesome time. We're making crazy amounts of money, and we're doing it in a super unique way. And what are we doing? We're crushing leaderboards. Now, if you're not familiar with leaderboards, leaderboards are for product launches that come out. People give away contests, people give away money. Not only are we winning contests, but we're making a bunch of money by promoting all these products. And the beautiful thing about it is, we're doing all of this with AI. And that's where the game is really changing, because so in the past, a lot of people had to focus on building lists. They had to focus on running ads. They had to focus on having experience and making all these different relationships. Yeah, we still have that. Yeah, we are there and we're in this community. But when you're using the power of AI, now we can be basically everywhere all at once. See, one thing I didn't like to do, I didn't like to email my list every single day. I didn't like to burn my list, and people have different ideas on how to do that. But when I can just say, I want to promote this product today, I want to promote this other product tomorrow, I want to promote 2 products today. When you use a specific strategy that we have in this product here, AI Leaderboard Kingpin, you can use specific AI tools to be everywhere and get commissions. And that's the thing. Now the game is open to everybody, because it doesn't matter if you're new. It doesn't matter if you like product launches. The fact is, there's a bunch of money to be made by giving eyeballs, showing eyeballs to products that come out every day. When you use the power of AI, bottom line is you make a bunch of money.
Yeah, exactly. This is really the case. Just a year ago, it was so difficult to be at like all places at the same time, because all this affiliate marketing the traditional way meant that you would have to create daily content. You would have to find these content ideas. Like there were so many pieces to the entire puzzle. But now with AI, you can really be at everywhere at the same time without having to spend a lot of time at all. And in fact, like we are now spending much less time to be everywhere than we did just a year ago on just really being active on one platform. So now AI really takes care of, like, I would say 95% of my entire affiliate business for me. And this was something that was unthinkable just like 12 months ago. And I'm saving so much time now. I'm saving so much money as well. And I don't have to come up with like all the content myself anymore. I can like be on so many different leaderboards at the same time, because I don't need to do all the work that traditionally was needed to be able to do what we're doing right now. And inside of AI Leaderboard Kingpin, we show you the exact methods and strategies that we're using with AI, and how you can replicate our success. And AI is amazing. AI is the future, and if you join us today, then the future can start for you today. This is amazing. I know everybody is talking about ChatGPT, but there are so many other AI tools out there that no one really talks about. But we are using those tools. We are having huge success with these tools. And inside of AI Leaderboard Kingpin, we show you how you can really replicate what we are doing and start crushing leaderboards yourself without all the work that used to be necessary to be able to do what we're doing. So now it's 2023. There are so many opportunities out there. AI really is a huge game changer, and we are here to take you by the hand and to help you crush leaderboards yourself.
And another thing too is that it's not just for leaderboards. We love leaderboards because there's something we can promote every day. There's contests every day that we can make money with, but essentially this is getting traffic to anything. So regardless of where you want traffic to go, it could be because you have a weight loss product. It could be because you're in a different niche. It could be that you're selling e-com products. It doesn't matter. This is about getting traffic in specific, powerful ways using AI to whatever you want. We focus on leaderboards because we love it. That's what we're all about. And for years, I wasn't one to really do a lot of affiliate promotions. And that was kind of a knock on me, is that, James, you put out a lot of products, but you don't necessarily support others. So the fact that now that I can support all these different people, it's a win-win. And it's awesome, because when you're an affiliate marketer, you don't have to make your own product. You don't have to do any of the support. You don't have to deal with a lot of the pain that comes from the product creation side, although we love that too. This is awesome because it's just a matter of getting paid. It's directing the traffic where it needs to go. And we've really analyzed the game. We've been in this for a long time. And there's a lot of really, really unique ways that you can go after traffic that most people aren't seeing. And when you get in this product, it's gonna open your mind, because it's not just about the traditional sources that we get traffic, although we go after them too. It's about all these like different ways that people don't realize sales are being made. And that's what we're going to tackle. So how you can get eyeballs in places no one else is seeing, how you can use AI to do it basically all for you, how you can make a ton of money. Look at our stats, look below. It's Max and James all the time on all these leaderboards. We're crushing it. I mean, it's just a fact. A lot of people are coming up to us and saying, how are you doing this? How are you consistently bringing all these top sales? Well, now we're going to expose that to the community. So that's why you need to pick up this product. If you want to make money, then you need AI Leaderboard Kingpin. So check it out below.